Hey guys, I just want to show you how bad some floors are in the shower. Like this is a typical 4 by 5 shower, but the biggest problem, the drain sits right in the middle, but it says like right on on a hill. Because if you look at it all around it, you got at least half an inch to a quarter slope going away from a drain. That means that that shower pan always held at least inch of water, which is pretty common. There were two reasons that that shower pan failed. First one, the nails that were holding the first part of the drain, the very base of it, punctured the rubber liner. And the second one was there was no silicone around the bolts that hold the second piece of a drain to the rubber liner and then clamps it with the base of it. And the one of the opening was cut a little bit too big and the water was leaking around it. So that was the main cause of it. Alright, now I'm gonna show you how I prep my shower. So first I build the pre-slope that levels entire area around the shower base and slopes it gradually towards the drain. Then I use one big piece of fiberglass mesh that covers the entire shower floor and it wraps the entire curb. Then I coat everything with a layer of thin set and then 2 coats of waterproofing membrane, and that creates one solid waterproof base. So if something ever happened to your rubber liner, you got another layer of waterproofing underneath. So that's kind of like extra step that prevents any failure in the future. Alright, now I'm gonna demonstrate how that pre-slope works. So I can put some water in the shower pan and you can see water goes directly towards the drain. It doesn't sit anywhere in the corners. It gradually goes towards the drain and drains. So it's like that's how it's supposed to be done, and that prevent any moisture or water accumulating in that pan and prevent any bad smells in the future. Alright, I hope you liked the video and learned something new. So if you did, just hit the like button, subscribe, and come back for the future videos. Thank you and bye bye.